for sound design wise, I think a wah wah effect is like really spooky, and then or just like a vocoder effect that can like mimic your voice, but then in a like spooky way with a lot of reverb. I think that's spooky too. This Arduino workshop, and the Arduino is just like a microprocessor that you can hook up to your laptop. On your laptop you can program the controller to make sound, and then when you get the controller hooked up to another sensor, then it can trigger the sound with the motion. So basically we're trying to fit this concept into motion sensing spooky pumpkins. Definitely a workshop for everybody. We're teaching everybody like from the beginning. So whether or not you know music or technology, you can all just like participate.
Similar to how we do like horror movie, sometimes you have jump scare, so something unexpected. Or it could be something that is a little bit more like, you know, low rumbling, something that you cannot hear but you can feel. That is also quite disturbing. Yeah, or something that is like very dissonant, something whose acoustically the harmonics do not match, and then you have something that has a lot of tension, and it also generates the acoustic tension move into psychological tension in a way.